If I ask you a question, if an Indian person wants to start speaking English, what exactly should they do so that they can start speaking in the next 30 days? Do you have a clear answer for this? No, but I have the answer. Because on the entire internet, no one tells you everything clearly and step by step about what exactly you should do to start speaking English. But if your goal is that in 2026 you want to start speaking English, if for any reason English is important for you, then today's video is especially for you. Because here I am going to explain from absolute zero how you should learn English speaking, even if you don't know ABC of English. Because today, on the 2nd January, I am making a promise to you. If you honestly follow each and every step that I share in this video for the next 30 days, then no one can stop you from speaking English. But yes, you have to follow everything sincerely, and I promise you in the very first month of this 2026 you will start speaking English. So let's begin. Hey everyone, I am Shalima, your English coach, and wish you a very happy new year to all of you. In this new year, if you also want to make English your strength, then quickly subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alright, now let's start. First of all, listen it very carefully, because this video I have divided into two important parts. Yes, I have divided this video into two important parts. The first part is your input part. In this part, I will tell you what steps you need to take to learn English speaking and what material you should use, when to use, where to use, and how to use it correctly. And the second part is all about output part. In this part, I will tell you how you should actually speak English from your month and how you can apply all the things you learn in the input part. So make sure you watch this video till the very end of this video, because this video is going to be very useful for you guys. So let's talk about the part number 1, that is called input part. And input part, I have a one step that is called make a diary. Yes, step number 1, make a diary. If you are really serious about your life in 2026, then I honestly guarantee you one thing. The diary can completely change your English. I am saying this because I have seen my own life changing by using the diary. And how to use the diary. What should you write in it? How you should write? And how should you use it correctly? That is exactly what I am going to explain it in this step number 1. So what to write, how to write, and how to use the diary. I will explain everything step by step. So first of all, let me tell you why you should use a diary, especially in the digital world of 2026. See, our brain works in two modes. One is fast mode and the other is slow mode. So let me give you a simple example. Whenever we use our mobile phone, or our brain automatically goes into fast mode, because on a phone you can type very fast, delete very fast, select, scroll and switch very fast. Everything happens quickly. But when you take a pen and a notebook and start writing on a paper, your brain automatically shifts into slow mode. And this is where real thinking starts. This is what thinking develops. Ideas are created and clarity comes. 2014, scientists from Princeton University and the University of California conducted an experiment. They divided students into two groups. One group has asked to take notes on a laptop. The other group was asked to take notes using pen and paper. And the results were shocking. The students who write The students who wrote notes in a notebook remembered things for a longer time, understood concept better, and their brain started developing ideas. And on the other hand, the students who typed notes on laptops were just recording information. So scientists call this mindless transcription, meaning just copying what you hear without real thinking. Okay, so it doesn't matter how fast you are. You may use a laptop or a mobile or even an iPad, but when you write things on paper, your brain creates a connection between your words and your emotions, and this connection is what helps you to understand better, remember longer, and think deeply. From now on, whatever I teach you in this video, you have to write everything in your diary, not on your phone, not in note apps, only in your diary, because the diary is going to be your first step towards change in your English. Alright, let's talk about the step number 2. Step number 2 is select few English channels. Yes, step number 2 is very important. You have to select a few English channels, but remember, they must be according to your level. Do not follow too many channels. Select only 2 to 3 English speaking or speech related channels where you can listen to simple and clear English. First, select 2 to 3 channels where you can learn sentence structures. For this, you can also watch my 30 days spoken English course where I taught English in a very simple and practical way. Second, you follow some short form English videos that teach you new words and how to use those words in our sentences. And if I talk about Instagram, there are many pages where you get small ready-made English sentences for daily use. You can follow those pages, but you have to search it. You can also follow my Instagram page for daily English sentences and practices. Okay? And guys, don't worry. Later in this video, I will tell you when and how to use all these content. But for now, just do this much. Alright, whatever I have told you. Now, let's move to step number 3. And the step number 3 is know the action words in English. Yes, step number 3 is know the action words in English. Action words are called verbs. Action words are the words that describe what we do every day. Okay, now let me tell you what are the action words. If you really don't know, but some people are knowing this, but let me tell you what are the action words. For example, speaking, walking, eating, drinking, talking, running. Any work that involves an action is called an action word. For example, right now I am recording a video, I am speaking. These are the action words. You already know some basic ones like for going, go, cooking food, cook, talking, talk, right? Now, whenever you do any activity and you do not know its English word, immediately search for it. You can search on Google and ChatGPT or any English dictionary. You will easily find the words. Now, here I would like to tell you one rule, that is daily practice rule. Your task is to make a complete list of an action words. Do this daily. Do not miss any chance. Whatever you say or do, if you don't know the English word, find it immediately and write it down in your diary. Alright, so if you follow this habit seriously, your vocabulary will increase naturally. Your sentence formation will improve and your fluency will grow faster. This is why I say if you do this daily, you need only 30 days to start speaking English confidently. Alright? Now, it is a time of part 2. Yes, Let's talk about part 2. In part 1, you have already collected all the material, that you selected the right English channels, you started your diary and you learn action verbs. Now the question is, how will you use all these? This is exactly what part 2 is all about. Part 2 is all about output. Yes, output means speaking from your mouth. Because you have collected all the details. Now it's time to speak. So let's talk about the step number 1, and the step number 1 is self-talk. Yes, many learners ask me, guys, ma'am, what is self-talk? Self-talk simply means talking to yourself in English. If you cannot speak English with yourself, you will never feel confident. Because speaking English with others, self-talk trains your brain to think and respond in English. This is the safest space where there is no fear, no judgment, no pressure. Do self-talk every day, 5 to 10 minutes only, in front of a mirror or alone in your room or while walking. Start with very simple sentences. Talk about what you are doing now, what you did today, what you will do next. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and after your self-talk, open your diary and speak the sentences you wrote there. This will connect your input and your output. If you do self-talk daily for 30 days, your hesitation will disappear, sentence flow will improve, and confidence will increase, and English will start coming naturally. And this is why I say self-talk is the foundation of English speaking. Now, I'm going to talk about the step number 2, and that is very important. The step number 2 is shadowing. Yes, shadowing means speaking along with an English speaker at the same time. Choose 1 to 2 minute video with slow and clear English. Play the video and speak together. Do not pause, do not stop. Even if you miss some words, keep speaking just for 5 minutes daily. Will improve your pronunciation, flow, and confidence. And now it's time for step number 3. And step number 3 is challenge to break fear. Yes, step number 3 is the most important challenge, because the biggest problem in English speaking is not grammar. It's a fear. It's fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of broken English, fear of people laughing. So from today, take this simple challenge. I will speak English every day, even if it is broken. This one decision can change everything. Today, speak English in at least one real situation. It can be talking to yourself, speaking with a friend, ordering food, or asking a simple question in English. Don't wait for perfect sentences. Never stop in the middle of a sentence. Don't say, leave it, my English is wrong. Complete the sentence. Broken is okay. Silence is not okay. Okay, broken is okay, but silence is not okay. If you will be silent, you will not able to speak a single word. So guys, if you follow this challenge for the next 30 days, your fear will reduce, your confidence will grow, and English will start coming naturally. And what you all can do is, you can write everything, whatever I have told you, write it in the diary and do it and speak it. Because fluency comes from flow, not from perfection. So accept this challenge and speak without fear. So remember, don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. If you follow these steps honestly for the next 30 days, no one can stop you from speaking English. If you want daily practice, simple English rules, and confidence building lessons, subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video and comment below that I will speak English. So guys, see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep speaking. This is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. Happy New Year and all the best.